Okay guys, so this is an elder tree, as you can see by the nice white flowers at the end of it here. Many uses. One of them is cordial, which we're going to do another day. So I'll show you how to make elder cordial. But today we're going to use the actual stick part of it to make some bracelets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a nice fairly thick bit over here. And just chop it down. As you can see in the middle of it, it's a very soft pith, which means you can take it out, so you can feed it onto string to make bracelets on necklaces.
So what Rob's doing here, you guys, is he is just scoring the willow to then take the bark off so you can use it for your elder jewellery or your elder puppet. So he will ensure that you all have some willow bark already pre-cut, but we're just showing you the process of how he gets the bark off of the branch. So he's scored a line in the willow and he's gently peeling back where the bark is starting to come away. And when the bark is off, that is named white willow, as you can see from its colour.
So I've cut right down the bark. As you can see, you peeled it right off. End up with this white sappy willow stick in the middle, which you can put on the 4th second. And it's the actual flat bark of it. So this is what you'll get. But what I'll do is from here, I'm just going to find little bits of it and just rip it up, tiny little strands, then just rip it down the bark, bring it all together, trying to keep it roughly the same width. Doesn't matter if it goes a bit too far out. Keeping the strands, just rip down it. As you get through, there's the odd little knots in the bark. It's a bit stuck on. Keep ripping all the way down. And it will come right to the end. You want to keep ripping until you get loads of little tiny strands. Okay, so we're going to make a few things. It's all out of the same materials, all out of the willow bark that we have now shredded up into little bits. So you can make a bracelet like so. You can see it's kind of plaited together, and you can do that. If you want to, on these, rather than plaiting so tightly, you can actually add little beads of jewellery onto it. So as you go in the bracelet, there'll be little elder beads. The other thing you can make is a puppet, like so, out of elder and the willow bark, and I will talk throughout this as well. So you can pick what you want to do. You can do both, you can do all of it, you can do some of it. It's up to you. So first thing first is for the elder. At the moment, as you can see, it's got a white pith in the middle. I want to make it so it's hollow, so you can see through it. The best way of doing it, if you get like a tent peg or anything like that, the middle bit is really soft and does just poke all the way through, and it comes out the other side. And just keep poking, and you're going to clear all the pith out until it's nice and clear. Not go through the middle, you have to turn it over, it's nice and clear. So it ends up with one clear tube. At any point you find you're not clear enough, just get a tent peg out, just re-clean it. Okay, so do that to each and every bit of jewellery you got, or each bit of elder you got. Now obviously the bigger the bit, and what you're going to push out of it. Take 2 bits of bark. Okay. One of them, fold over, and don't do it about halfway. Do it so you got kind of 2/3 and a third bark. And one whole bit next to it. Now on top of that, you're going to tie an overhand knot. So all you're going to do, go around your finger, go over it there, and then come through the hole you made. So it's a nice little knot right at the top. Just hold it all together. You can chain that with a tiny little loop in it as well. The bit is folded in half, or bit in thirds. Now from there, all you're going to do is plait down it. So basically, get outside over the middle, and then from there, you go outside into the middle. If I turn it around, so the same way. So from there, it's outside into the middle, and obviously there's your middle, outside into the middle, and keep alternating the sides as you go down. It will start to form a plait. It should look quite symmetrical and quite like a pattern. If it doesn't look like a pattern or very symmetrical, then you might have just missed one out. Like a nice and slow, nice and easy. Now, obviously you can keep doing this all the way down till you get to the end. Push it up to there. And fold it into the middle like so. And just carry on from where you were after the bead. Start from there, goes across there. And then that one, next one, goes into the middle. Keep on working your way down. Like so. Keep on going together, together, over the top. Now if at any point you run out of length, all you do is when you get to the last chunk of it, place another bit of willow on top of it and just carry on plaiting with both bits, and it will join together in the actual weave. So rather than tie a knot. So if I go down a bit further, so another bit of jewellery. So look here. And just remember, if you're making a bracelet, you don't want to make it too big. So bear in mind of who's wearing it and how big their arm is, because that's quite a biggish bracelet already. So don't make it much bigger than that. What you need to do, to finish it off, is keep going as far as you can, and then keep going, and the last little bit, what you're going to do is an overhand knot. So make sure you've got enough sticking out, and go all the way around. You make sure you get all 3 bits to go through that little loop there you just created. You need to make sure all 3 go through, because if you only get 2 of them, then 1 bit will just come undone. So you have to kind of work it around a little bit, push it through. And the willow bark is quite strong, so you can be quite rough and pull it. And it'll do that. And there you are. 1 bracelet created. Grab some scissors and just cut the end bit off there. It's quite hard to just rip sideways. So what I've done is I've just pushed the knot, which is there, through that loop we first started with, and you have 1 weaved willow bracelet with eldrum. Quite cool. Obviously, if you wanted to, you can get creative. You can paint these, you can decorate these where you want to, make it different. But you can leave it as is, quite natural and plain.